Hi guys, you know that you can get more clients when you structure your portfolio to attract those clients. That is what this video is all about. On this video today, I'm going to be giving out things that you must know and do in your portfolio. These are because your portfolio is like a roadmap that will land you those desired clients that you want. So stay tuned and watch to the end because it's something you don't want to miss out. On this channel, I'm Bright. I talk about photography tips and tricks on how you can better your photography business career. If that is what you want, subscribing to this channel because this is just a new channel that I'm building, guys. You can support me so that this channel also will get to more people, and click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a content like this, you will get notice of it. Okay, let's start the business of the day. And the first thing which I really want you to do for you to land more clients, for you to have more photography bookings in your business is first, you have to show proof on your portfolio. This is very important because you showing social proof on your portfolio is what will make your potential clients to book you. Show those social proof like reviews from their clients, the job that you have done with your prospective, with your previous clients. You can post it on your portfolio because this is what will attract your this is what will attract those potential clients to book you because we are all human beings, we are all humans, and we believe in success of other person. We believe in the reviews of other person even when it comes to other businesses too. You cannot just you have full confidence to do business with a brand when you have seen the social proof from other customers. So that is how photography works also. Try as much as possible to post those social proofs of their past customers on your page, and by so doing this, it will get you more clients that you have ever imagined. The second one is that you have to show before and after transformation of your shooting processes. This is something as you are behind the scene. This is very important because your potential clients want to see you. Your potential client want to see that you are the one doing those work. They don't want to believe or think that someone is behind the work or the AI is doing the work. So your clients want to see you that you are the one doing this work. So it is very important for you to most times, even most times, do the BTS of your shooting process, the edit, the post production, and post it on your portfolio because this is what will attract those potential clients to you because they really want to see you that you are the one behind this beautiful portfolio. And the next one is something that you should not do on your portfolio. Try as much as possible not to mix different color palettes on your portfolio. The history is that don't mix different pictures or don't mix different color palettes on your portfolio. Stick to one that befits the styles of your clients. Like, unless you want to do it intentionally, like most of the time when you want to post the real colors of the picture and also in black and white, to give your audience a sense of what you want to achieve or what you are trying to achieve. Don't just be posting different colors or black and white all through your portfolio because it will not speak well of you. Your clients will be confused unless you are doing it intentionally just for a specific reason or purposes. Guys, if you are finding this video interesting, please subscribe to this channel. The subscription button is right below this video. The next point I'm going to talk about is please try and tell stories and create emotional connections on your portfolio when you are posting your work. Try to get into the hearts of your potential clients. Try to make them feel that okay, this is what you are doing. Try that should be that storytelling when you are doing your posting. That should be that relating to the type of photography that you are doing. Try to touch the hearts of your potential clients. They should feel you through your posting, and by so doing, you'll be attracting clients into your photography business. And the next one, which I'm going to talk about on how you can attract and land more clients in your photography business is please and please. I don't want you to showcase your work to everybody. Try and arrange your work and structure your work to the type of ideal client that you want. Do not try to appeal to everybody. Do not try to appeal to everyone because the truth is that even when you appeal to everyone, not everyone will still come to you. So try to structure your work, try to structure your portfolio, your posting to this type of client, to a type of ideal client that you want in your business, because this is the client that will also book you in that photography business that you are doing. Next point I'm going to talk about on how you can land more clients in your photography business is, please and please, it is advisable to always remove irrelevant or inconsistent works or posting that do not align to your current stage of work. And what I mean by this is that, like, if you see that this type of post that you have done like a month ago or years ago, no, do not speak well of you, like when you're operating. It is better for you to remove those outdated works, because your clients, when they come to your platform, this is what they will see, and they will also be discouraged if what you are posting is not what they like. So as in as much as you're upgrading, in as much you are giving that the best work, try as much as possible also to remove the outdated work that do not align to your current, like to your current state. Okay, because if you do not remove those outdated work or those work that do not align to your style, to your present style or current style, you will not get those customers or those clients that you want at the end of the day. This is my next point, which I think it will be my last point on this video for the day. Please and please, I'm begging you guys, do not intermix different niches in your portfolio. At least if you are a photographer that run different niches like fashion, beauty, portrait, lifestyle, and the rest of them, you can have those links, like you can have those links, okay, on the portfolio, but do not post all the pictures in one portfolio. You can just list out the link to all of the niches that you have, and when they see it, they will click on those links and you also take them to that platform. This is the only way you can make and attract those desired clients that you want in your photography business. So guys, I think this video has been helpful to you. So subscribe to this channel. Subscription button is right below this video. Subscribe to this channel so that this channel will get to more people. I'm just building it, alright. So that whenever I post a video, you will also be notified of it. Thank you and see you in my next video.